Hello, social media friends. I'm Virginia, the creator of Towel Toning. Today, I will introduce to you 4 delicious, healthy meals that you can prepare in your own kitchen. And I'm excited because I have a special secret ingredient I will be using on all 4 of them. The 4 delicious, healthy meals I'll be preparing for you today are sweet potato hash, my personal favorite. I eat it in every single meal. Toasted onion vinaigrette salad, tabbouleh, and hot and spicy green onion tacos. We are going to start off with my first recipe of the day, sweet potato hash. Super easy, super delicious, super healthy. So we're starting off with a beautiful sweet potato and lime, garlic, and any oil you wish, olive, avocado. Our secret ingredient, Laura Scudders cracked pepper. Step 1, wash, rinse, peel, and cut. Squeezing some lime, a little olive oil, roasted garlic, delicious. And let me not forget the secret ingredient, cracked pepper, Laura Scudders. Okay, for our second meal of the day, I've already prepared my salad, but now it's time for our special vinaigrette, where I'm going to be incorporating the most incredible secret ingredient, Laura Scudders toasted onion. A ½ cup Dijon mustard, 1 1/8 cup fresh squeezed lemon juice, 1 small minced shallot, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 1/2 cups of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of coarse black pepper, 3/4 cup honey. And for the third recipe of the day, tabbouleh. As you can see, we have the most beautiful array of healthy vegetables on this beautiful cutting board. We've got mint, garlic, cucumber, green onion, Italian parsley, tomatoes, the green onion Laura Scudders seasoning as our secret ingredient, cracked pepper and salt, lemon juice, olive oil, and butter, our quinoa. Now let's get to it. So let's taste this healthy, delicious meal. Tastes like a garden. Not only does it taste great, but the main reason I love this dish is because it's super healthy, light, and goes with just about every meal. I highly recommend, and of course, do not forget your secret ingredient, Laura Scudders green onion seasoning. And now we're in the kitchen. Gonna start off by sauteing all of our vegetables, some bell peppers and onions. Okay, sauteed onions and bell peppers look fantastic. Adding my water, starting off with my green onion, and of course, hot and spicy. I have my delicious meat simmering, finishing up in the kitchen with our tacos, and I will meet you outside to show you all of our beautiful dishes that we prepared today. Here we are in our beautiful kitchen and showcasing all the beautiful meals that we made today, starting with our beautiful salad, delicious toasted onion vinaigrette, our tabbouleh using our amazing green onion, Laura Scudders delicious seasoning, our sweet potato hash, and used our delicious Laura Scudders cracked pepper, and of course the finale, our hot and spicy green onion tacos. Thanks for hanging with me today. If you like these recipes, drop a comment below. See you next time.